Welcome back, everybody. It's been a long time because I'm busy on the Blackstone Griddle more tour, so I've been gone 6 straight weeks. I have 3 more weeks to go, and the Griddle more tour is done. So let's see, we were in Utah to start things out, and then we were in Arizona, Southern California, Central Valley, California, Meridian, Idaho. Last week we were in Oregon. Oh my goodness, the gorgeous mountains coming down. From Redmond down to Salem. Spectacular. Going to be in Washington State the next 3 weeks. Hat giveaway right here. Oh my goodness. Doing some of these on Facebook and on Instagram as well. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want a Griddle More hat. This is actually one of my favorite hats. Perhaps the favorite hat that we've ever had on the Griddle More tour. I absolutely love it. So leave me a comment down below. We'll let it run until next week or so, and we'll pick a winner for 1 or 2 or 3 Griddle More hats. Stay tuned. Big things coming to the channel. I'm busy, of course, with my Let's Give It a Try show. Please get over there if you're not already, because every week it's a new episode, all kinds of exciting stuff. And a lot of giveaways coming here to the channel. Some partnerships coming up with my friends from Mr. Yoshida's. Oh my goodness. And plenty more. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the food.